Hello, welcome to Drawing with Fire. I'm Valarie, your neighborhood pyrography artist, and I'm here to announce World Pyrography Month 2021 Challenge. That's right, it's already August, and it's time to do our new challenge. This year we've got 9 new words. The first week has Mother and Light, 2 separate prompts, each of them. Week 2, Wet and Solid. Week 3, Wings and Slimy. Week 4, Pollinator and Nimble. And Week 5, Nautical. So here I'm showing you my past World Pyrography Month Challenge, with 2008 being the first one. And that one, I had 31 prompts and I didn't finish it. I don't think a lot of people finished it, because that was a lot, especially when I wanted quality over quantity. So in 2019, I backed it off to 9 prompts. And since then, I've been able to get them done, and so have other people. So I wanted to show you, this is how my pattern looked for last year. I went into Photoshop, took the prompts, picked my pictures, had my theme. I choose themes. It's easier for me to figure out what I want it to look like. If you don't want a theme, you don't have to have a theme. That's just how I work. So this was a cracked mirror and all these eyes looking at you theme. And I traced it once I put it together in Photoshop. So this, I am showing how I've got it laid out on the board. Because I'm filming, I've got them covered up. And I didn't ever put that video out. Oops. But you don't have to cover it up. Just lay it all out on the board. And each week you do the 2 prompts. And then wait for the next week. That's it. That's all you gotta do. It doesn't take as long as some people would think to have a full piece at the end. Here are some things to keep in mind. This is meant to be fun. Fun, I tell you, is supposed to be fun. And it's supposed to help you improve your techniques and composition and practice making a pattern, because some people don't have that knowledge yet because they're new, and that's totally normal for all of us. This is a great way to practice that and find ways that you like and you don't like. Again, this is quality over quantity. Take your time. Keep each subject, I would say, between 3.5 inches. Anything bigger is going to take you longer, and anything smaller, you're not going to really get the fine details that you're trying to practice. Now, there is a free tablet phone PC app called Autodesk Sketchbook that you can use to make your pattern. It's similar to Photoshop with a lot less stuff going on. So I recommend, if you can draw on your tablet, go that route. If not, a light pad, your reference, and a pen with tracing paper works awesome. And if you don't have a light pad and don't want to buy one, and you happen to have a Tupperware box, a large one, that's clear, flip it upside down, throw a flashlight inside, lay your reference photo facing up on the bottom, and then your tracing paper, and create your pattern that way. It's really that simple. If you've never created a composition piece, that's what this is about as well, is how to put different things together and have them work and flow. Also, try different shading techniques like stippling and cross-hatching, and just different ways to see what you really like. This is the time to experiment, find what makes you happy, and learn from it. So I've popped up the prompts again for you. Take your time. Enjoy them. If you picture Nimble as a ballerina, then burn a ballerina. If you picture Slimy as, let's see here, what could be slimy? A pile of slime. That would be great shading to practice a pile of slime. Go for it. You pick the subject. The prompt is just to kind of give you an idea of something to choose. Choose things you haven't done before. Make at least half your piece subjects you've never burned before, so you're trying new things, but yet you've got things you've done before in there to help you feel more confident. So give that a go and see what you think. Let's see here, what else? Oh, one board. I'm using one board. I recommend using one board because then it goes back to practicing composition and whatnot. But if you choose to do it on multiple boards, that's totally up to you. And paper is definitely welcome too. We are burning. So whatever you can burn, if you can burn all 9 prompts on a gourd, hey, have fun. So I will see you this Sunday. We'll get started. Happy burning. Bye.